Hello, Noble Knitter. It's Nancy Queen, and today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable Boo Boo Bunnies. Well, what exactly is a Boo Boo Bunny? Let's find out right now.
Ouch!
Bumps and scratches happen to small children, but you can quickly quell the fears and the anxiety with the Boo Boo Bunny. These adorable Boo Boo Bunnies are there to give to the child when they've fallen. You can put some ice here in the back, and that will cool off the area and it'll provide some comfort to the child. I've knitted mine in a cotton blend yarn so that they're machine washable, and they couldn't be easier to knit. You're basically going to be knitting a square, and then I'm going to show you the techniques to fold it into the bunny shape. So let's dive right into this project. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. You'll need a worsted weight number 4 cotton. I'm using Knit Picks Comfy Color Mist yarn, and I'll provide links to all of these materials in the description below. You'll also need some elastic ponies, a pair of scissors, some colorful grosgrain ribbon, and a pair of size 8 knitting needles. To knit our Boo Boo Bunnies, I'm going to start with my favorite cast on, which is the long tail cast on. Use whatever is the most comfortable cast on for you. I start with a long tail, I make a slip knot, and then using the long tail that's in the front of my work, I cast on, and I'll be casting on 45 stitches for this project. Then you're just going to keep knitting every row until your project measures 10 inches from the beginning. So basically you are making a 10 by 10 inch square. You could make it larger, 11 by 11, 12 by 12, whatever is comfortable for you, but I find that a 10 by 10 inch Boo Boo Bunny is just the right size washcloth for this project. When your washcloth measures 10 inches from the beginning, it's time to bind off. So I'll knit the first 2 stitches and then pick the first one up and over and off the needle. Knit the next stitch and take that first one up and over. And I'll keep repeating this all the way across the row, making sure that I maintain the same tension all the way throughout, because you want the cast on edge to match the bind off edge, and you also want it to be the same tension as your knitting itself. So don't make it too tight or too loose, just go with the same tension you've had all the way through your project. When you've bound off all your stitches, it's time to clip your work. I always leave about a 4 to 6 inch tail. Then I thread the tail through the loop, and I use a finishing needle to weave in the yarn ends. Now it's time for my favorite part, folding the bunny shape. So I turn my washcloth on a diagonal, and then I start rolling one corner in towards the center, and then I start rolling the opposite corner into the center. And you're just going to roll them until they meet right here at the center. And I just kind of straighten it out so that it's nice and neat and even on both sides. Now what you're going to do is fold it in half lengthwise like this, so that the fold is on the smooth side is on the outside. Then you're going to fold it in half going the other way to create your bunny ears. Now I just grasp it at the front third and put my hair elastic around that, and that creates the bunny face and the ears, and then you can see the body in the back. And I don't like that black elastic, so I use a satin ribbon. This is about 12 inches long, and just tie it into a really nice little bow. And then I trim the edges of the bow if needed. Now, one thing you might have noticed in this video is that the yarn might look familiar. Well, it's because I used this yarn to make these really cute and easy to knit baby hats, and I had so much leftover yarn that I thought I'd make another project. So if you haven't seen this baby hat video, you can check it out here, or just click on this link and I will see you in that next video.